Oh no. Something knocked my peppers down. Must have been the squirrel or something. Ay. Okay, those have to be planted. This one is not too bad. Oh, you poor guy. Man. This one's still intact. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I better get these peppers planted in the ground here soon. These are the Jimmy Nardello peppers. I'm not sure what it was that knocked this over, but it had to be pretty big. So I'm guessing it's either a cat, a possum, or a raccoon. Now, unfortunately, all the roots got exposed. So I'll be honest, if these survive, I will be excited, but also a bit surprised because it's not looking good. We've had quite a trauma here, so. Okay, well, there we have it. We'll keep our fingers crossed and hope these survive. These are the Brazilian starfish peppers. They're finally starting to get some growth to them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this one is not doing that great. It's very slow. And I think this is shading it. My wife, she wants to keep these flowers, but they're very big. So she's not home. We won't tell her. I'm gonna trim those back. And these beans are, oh my God, look, I just noticed this. There's already, I didn't even notice we have beans. Look at how cool that is. Okay, now I gotta, oh my God, look at, I had no idea. Look at the size of that bean. I think this has to come out. I'm gonna pluck this. Okay, we gotta do some harvesting. Let me set up the camera here. I had no idea. Look at the size of that, oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna try it. It's sweet. It's another one, look at that. Isn't that cool looking? I saw these seeds when I was looking for heirloom seeds. I just thought it was really cool looking. Look at that, 2 more big ones. Look at the corn. I think it's as tall as me, right? 6 feet. There's corn. This one's a little small. Not sure why. So the one bean there in the corner, you see it's very yellow. I'm not sure why. That's the only one. The rest look really well. I bet you these have, oh my God. Look it, I just opened it. When you see all those, that purple, those are all beans. Okay, I gotta harvest some of these, hold on. Another big one. Jimmy Nardello is the ones I got knocked over. I planted them here. There's one. This one's barely surviving. There's another one here. This one seems to be doing okay. This, I'm not sure. I don't think this is one of the Jimmy Nardellos. It's I don't know what that is. This one is, again, I mean, it's surviving, not doing great. I don't think this one's gonna make it. It's got 1 leaf left. And then there's, oh, that's nothing. I don't know what that is, but And then this one's doing pretty well. Okay, but this, actually this is, I think this is nasturtium. I'm taking it out. Hopefully my wife won't get upset. So, doing really well. I'm gonna harvest some more of these beans. So I want to do some maintenance. But anyway, this is the one I need to trim because this one here gets a lot of shade. It's shading a lot. And so my wife doesn't want me to cut it down. So I'm just going to trim the heck out of it. Hopefully she won't get mad. Look at all this sunlight now. Before this little one was in the shade. Now it's in the sun. What do you see, boy? Okay, so it's only been 2 days since my first harvest. The first harvest I got 15 beans. And I definitely, oh my God, look at the size of this one. This is ready for sure, right?
Yep.
They seem to come in pairs. So I got 2 big ones already.
There's 2 more down there.
They're just really cool looking. Oh, there's a whole bunch over there. Is that one too small, you think? Still
Yeah,
got
that's a little small.
It's got a flower on
But
it.
these are ready right here.
What about this one's ready for sure?
Yeah, wow. Nice.
This one I'm going to leave. The flower's still on the end of it, so.
There's more here.
Oh yeah, I didn't even see those. Look at this one.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that one.
Wow.
I think I'll take this one.
And there's one on the back. Wow.
That might be the biggest one so far.
There's more.
This one's definitely ready. So you have to check, I guess,
Yep.
every day or every other day.
Yeah,
Otherwise,
they'll just sneak up on you and they grow so big.
I'll grab it. Oh, I cut it in half. I'll just eat that one. Tastes like a green bean, right?
It tastes like green bean. It just looks very cool.
18 beans this time. Vung is going to use these
In my stir fry.
her dish in the other video, so you can check the link in the description or the card above.